If you're interested in getting a look inside of a new Element RC, Enduro Sendero RTR crawler truck, you have come to the right place. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Song Hobbies. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and taking a look inside of a new Element RC Enduro Sendero RTR crawler truck. Element RC is a new subsidiary of Associated Electronics, also known as Team Associated, which has a great reputation in the market. They're entering into the crawler scene under a new subsidiary brand called Element RC, and Enduro Sendero is their first released around mid-2019. It's a good-looking truck with clean lines and meaty tires with some special features out of the box. So let's get started with the features listed on their box. The first chassis feature they list is that they have a behind-the-axle steering, which puts the drag leg behind the axle, which gives you a little bit more clearance on the rocks. They also have integrated servo and winch mounts up front, and they are chassis-mounted servos. It also comes with aluminum body shocks that are threaded so that you have flexibility to adjust the preload depending on the weight that you put on the rig. As for electronics, it comes with a 5-slot reedy crawler motor. The 5-slot offers smoother action than a 3-slot, which a lot of other RTRs comes with. It also comes with the reedy power ESC, and it also comes with a reedy servo that is rated at 173 ounce per inch, which is supposed to be fairly durable, especially for RTR servos. And lastly, probably the biggest feature is its transmission with Stealth X gearbox with adjustable overdrive gears. Out of the box, it comes with a 5.7% overdrive installed, which means that the front tire spins 5.7% faster compared to the rear, which helps with climbing abilities. Additionally, it comes with additional overdrive gears that you can change to and get 11.83% overdrive. In other competitors, overdrive gears are optional and typically cost around $50, so Enduro is a great bargain when you consider that to the overall price. Enough about the features. Let's dive into the unboxing. One thing, be careful while opening the box, as the box itself has a special feature. It doubles as a scale garage. Here's a quick look inside of the box. As you can see, they have a great scale garage. Instead of throwing away a box that normally we would do, you can reuse it. Very novel concept. Here are the contents out of the box. Here's the instruction manual. It resembles the old Haynes Auto Repair manual with see-through parts that I used to have. Great touch. And it also comes with set of decal sheets. Very nice. We have a bag of extra parts. It looks like it comes with a bigger battery tray, a servo horn, overdrive gears to change to 11.83% overdrive as some additional parts. Then we have the transmitter radio. Nothing fancy here, but it does feel good in the hand for an RTR radio. Also in the bag is the instruction manual for the radio, a binder connector. The truck is secured to the box with 4 zip ties. I'll be right back after removing them. Here's the Element RC Enduro Sendero out of the box. I kinda dig the color combination and the scale items. The plastic foldable mirrors, the windshield wipers, and the body looks to be in 2 pieces bolted to each other. kind of mimicking real trucks. Let's first check the condition of the shocks. Feels super nice, very smooth and plush. Let's check the bump steer. I can't really see any bump steer. That's awesome. One huge negative thing I see right away. The front and rear bumpers sticks out too much. I think they're going to hinder the approach and the departure angles. I'll probably look into different options right away. Let's take off the body and see what's inside. It's got LED lights already on the front. Very nice. Looking at inside, it comes installed with a shorty battery tray. If you plan to use the bigger battery, then you will need to swap out the battery tray that is included in the parts tray bag. I also see a 5-slot sealed cam motor and ESC. The receiver box looks to be very watertight. Here's the string servo and the slot for the winch servo. Tires feel soft, and the plastic beadlock wheels will allow me to easily change them out if I see a need. Checking at the underside, here you can see behind the axle steering, which puts the drag link behind the axle and gives you a little more clearance on the rocks. It also comes with metal links. Very nice. Great to see that they've included metal links out of the box. As for the drive shaft, it also comes with metal inner but plastic outer shafts, allowing a bit of durability. In summary, it seems to be a great crawler truck at a great value with all the built-in features. I am super excited to take this rig out for testing. Thanks for sharing the unboxing with me.